Hi everybody, Debra and Bandit here. The video you are about to see today is from my Friday Night Live chat, and it has been edited so that you can watch the condensed version. Enjoy! Okay, viewer questions. Here we go. So the first one is from Bunny, and she said she has a big question. What made me decide to get my hair cut? And she couldn't find any information online. Well, the reason I cut my hair was because we were in self-isolation and no salons were open. Some are open now, but there weren't any salons open, and so I had long hair, but it was growing out the gray, and I just decided, you know what? Now is the time. Oh wait, you guys. Nee the Wonder Cat says, "Happy birthday, Debra." Thank you. I appreciate that, Nee. Nee the Wonder Cat. I just love that name. Thank you so very much. So I couldn't go to a salon, and I've been wanting to try growing my hair out. So I cut it all off to get to the gray, and also because I needed a haircut. And then first one thing then led to another, and I just kept chomp, 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 chomp. And now it's just nubbins, but it's all me. There's no color left in my hair, and now I will let this grow out, you know. And then this is my COVID braid. I've cut some off because it got really dead ends, but this was what I originally had, and I call it my COVID braid because I'm going to let this grow and keep this on until we get past this pandemic. And when we do get past this pandemic, and I can cut it off, I don't know how long the rest of my hair will be because I'm letting it all grow out. Then I will cut this off and dedicate it to, I give it to Locks of Love, but that make wigs for cancer patients. So that's the game plan. So there you go. She was asking, and I thought I would answer that. First, I need to let you guys know that I've been in my van for 2 days, so I was fine and doing well, but I also, after the meetup, see, I couldn't even think of what it's called. After the meetup, I went to town 2 days in a row to do errands, and that was too much. And so yesterday I had that like plate warbling in my head. And then sometime last night my vision went out, and so I've had a loss of vision all day. So my girlfriends, hello, where are you guys, are here to help me with my hair, and I'm just gonna sit in a chair. How spoiled am I? That's why they went to school.
Don't try this at home.
And since I've had an episode, I'm having to keep my eyes shut because she made me take my sunglasses off.
That's blonde.
Okay. Says Tiki.
Platinum.
I see you.
Tiki says I don't have gray hair, I have blonde hair. Thank you, Tiki. Is it blue?
No, it's purple.
It's purple?
It's indigo. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Cover your eyes.
Ah, it's cold, it's so cold, it's so cold. It's so cold.
Sorry.
It's okay. Good deal. Good job. Can you see it? So purple for my mat and purple for Bitly. I don't recommend that you do what I do, and I'm about to make hairdressers cringe all around, I'm sure. First step is I comb my hair out and I part it like I wear it. I've noticed that when I do get it cut at salons that they do it down the middle and do all kinds of fancy parts. I just part mine like I cut it. So the next step I do is I part my hair in the middle, in the back, and then I put my hair in these pigtails, ponytails, hairstyle, whatever you call it. And I do that so that I can cut the length and the dead ends off. And my hair has been looking really bad because I haven't done anything to it in a good while. So I'm really excited to get this done. About right there. And now I got that dead end off, and you'll see it's not as much, but your hair doesn't always grow evenly. That's how I do it to get even haircut on the length. I get the dead ends off. That's where I start. Here's another thing that I do to get rid of my loose ends. I forgot, it's the final step in getting, not loose ends, maybe I'm at loose ends. Dead ends, to get rid of my dead ends. It's the final, and I am going to cut that off. Can you see? Right there. Now, it's a fashion Paris statement, don't you think?